Baking Technician for Class 9th, Unit 1, Overview of the Bakery Sector. Session 5, Tools used in the baking process. Hello students, welcome to the video lecture series for the job role Baking Technician for Class 9th, Unit 1, Overview of the Bakery Sector. In the previous video, you have learned about the utensils used in the baking process. In this video, you will learn about the tools used in the baking process. Students, let us first understand the difference between the term tools and equipment, because in our daily discussion, we use the same idea for both terms. A tool is a single item that is being used to provide aid in our process. Equipment, which is usually a combination of tools, is used to achieve the specific target in our process. Students, I know you have already seen some tools at your home. The basic baking tools you will find in your kitchen right now are flour sifter and rolling pin. Students, there are many other different tools required by a baking technician while preparing the bakery products in a plant or a bakery. Let us now see those different types of bakery tools. The different types of bakery tools include measuring spoons, cups and glasses, whisk, spatulas and brushes, zester, bench scraper, dough scraper, mixing spoons, flour duster, flour sifter, parchment paper, pastry bags, decorating nozzles, rolling pins, knives and cutters, and lastly cake stands. Students, let us understand all these different types of tools one by one. Measuring spoons, cups and glasses. Measuring devices help a technician to mix the ingredient as prescribed in the recipe or according to the conforming standards of the products. Measuring spoons come in the varying sizes of 1/8 teaspoon, 1/4 teaspoon, half teaspoon, 1 teaspoon, half tablespoon and 1 tablespoon. These spoons are used when mixing salt, baking powder, baking soda, lemon juice, yeast, spices and leaveners in the baking product, as they are required in small quantities and thus being measured accurately using measuring spoons. Measuring glasses are used to take the measure of flour, cream and sugar in the bakery products. A set of measuring cups include the sizes of 1/4 cup, 1/3 cup, half cup and 1 cup. Measuring glasses are also used for pouring the measured amount of milk and liquid products while preparing the batter for the cakes or the dough for the biscuits or the bread. Sometimes the measuring cups are being used as measuring glasses as it is marked with the volume capacities. Usually measuring glasses come in the ranges of 250 ml to 1000 ml. Whisk. A whisk is used to blend ingredients smooth or to incorporate air into a mixture in a process known as whisking or whipping. They are mostly used to beat eggs, cream, fold and stir together wet and dry ingredients while making the cake batters. They give volume by aerating foods, especially seen in the cake making. Most whisks consist of a long, narrow handle with a series of wire loops joined at the end. Spatulas. Spatulas are used for scraping the dough and batter from the sides and bottom of the mixing bowl, as well as used for folding the ingredient and spreading the substance on the flat surface. Brushes. A brush, also known as a basting brush, is a bakery tool used to spread butter, oil or glaze on food. Brushes are used to spread the butter, oil or ghee in the pan or mold before putting the bread dough in the mold or cake batter in the pan. Zester. A zester, also known as a citrus zester or lemon zester, is a kitchen tool used for obtaining zest from the lemon and other citrus fruit. A kitchen zester is approximately 4 inches long with a handle and a curved metal end, the top of which is perforated with a row of round holes with the sharpened rims. To operate the zester is pressed with moderate force against the fruit and drawn across its peel. The rim cuts the zest from the pit underneath. The zest is cut into ribbons, one drawn through each hole. Bench scraper. Bench scraper is the bakery tool that has a straight edge and is marked with the measurement markings. The main functions of the bench scraper include scraping the congealed flour on the work table, cleaning the work surface, leveling the cup when measuring the dry ingredients, used for cutting the bread dough, used for cutting the cookies. Dough scraper. Dough scraper, though similar in function as bench scraper, is the bakery tool that has rounded edges at one side and a flat edge on the other side. The round edge is useful for scraping dough, batter and cream out of the utensils, whereas the flat edge is used for leveling the batter in a pan and cleaning the work surface. Mixing spoons. A kitchen mixing spoon makes it easier to cook and prepare meals. Whether you need a tool to combine ingredients for cooking or baking, a mixing spoon is an essential tool in every kitchen. Flour duster. A flour duster is a bakery tool for sprinkling flour. It is used to dust the working table surfaces for rolling pastry or kneading dough, dust bread dough before going into the oven, or dust baking pans. Flour sifter. A flour sifter is a bakery tool with a mesh bottom used to sift dry ingredients such as flour or powdered sugar. The sifters are moved back and forth to push and pull the dry contents through the mesh sieve in the sifter. These are made from the stainless steel or plastic. The sifter is used to add air to the dry ingredients to make it lighter and more uniform in texture, resulting in improving the baking or food preparation results. Shifting of flour along with powdered sugar, cocoa and baking powder helps in the even distribution of leavening agents and ingredients. Parchment paper. These are grease-proof paper that is used in baking and cooking as it provides a heat-resistant, non-stick surface to bake on. Parchment paper is used for lining cake pans and baking trays. It is also known as butter paper and can be folded into cones for piping icing or chocolate. Pastry bags. It is a cone or triangular shaped bag made from cloth, paper or plastic. It is also known as piping bags. It is filled through a wider opening with semi-solid food at the opposite end, which is then rolled or twisted close and then squeezed to extrude its content through a narrow opening at another end, often fitted with a shaped nozzle for many purposes, including in particular cake decoration and icing. Many differently shaped nozzles are used to produce cross sections such as star, leaf and flower petal shapes. Decorating nozzles. Decorating nozzles are usually used with pastry bags to create different shapes of icing cream on the cake surface. These are available in a range of various designs and sizes. Decorating nozzles are made of stainless steel or chrome plated and attached in a pastry bag through a coupler. These should be washed in warm, soapy water and dried completely before storing. Rolling pins. A long cylindrical shaped kitchen utensil generally used to roll out various types of dough when making food items such as bread, pastries and cookies. This tool also works well for crushing crackers and breadcrumbs. Knives. Knives used in the bakeries are as follows. Heavy duty chef's knife. The chef knife is one of the most frequently used and versatile tools in the kitchen. These knives are typically between 8 to 10 inches, although they can be as short as 6 inches and as long as 14 inches. Student, you will use your chef knives for most of your slicing during food preparation, and in many ways it will be the most important tool of use. The more comfortable you feel with the weight and balance, the more quickly you will be able to slice and dice and julienne food articles during preparation. Paring knife. A paring knife is a small chef's knife and should be used for the same task on smaller scale, especially those requiring precision. Paring knives are great for peeling, mincing and detailed cutting. These knives are typically in a 3-inch size. Serrated bread knife. The long blade with a series of sharp teeth excels at nearly cutting through the exterior of crusty loaves and gliding through the soft ones without crushing them. Palette knife. A palette knife is useful for moving small items without breaking them or lifting pastry without making a hole in it. This piece of utensil is often overlooked but is a great help when you need to handle very delicate preparations. Cutters. Cutters are used to cut the dough sheet into the desired shape of biscuits and cookies. It has a sharp edge of 1-inch level to cut through the biscuit dough. Cake stands. A cake stand is used for icing and decorating the cake. The cake can be turned around in any direction just by moving it in the required direction. Some stands have a top like a turntable. That is, the top circle rotates 360 degrees. Students, now let us summarize what we have learned in today's lecture. A tool is a single item that is being used to provide aid in our process. Equipment, which is usually a combination of tools, is used to achieve the specific target in our process. The different types of bakery tools used by the baking technician include measuring spoons, cups and glasses, whisk, spatulas and brushes, zester, bench scraper, dough scraper, mixing spoons, flour duster, flour sifter, parchment paper, pastry bags, decorating nozzles, rolling pins, knives and cutters, and lastly, cake stands. So students, that's all from this session. See you in the next video. Thank you.